Good morning, friends, fellow traders, my subscribers. I greet you all. My name is Okoyeocha, analyzing the markets from the land of the rising sun. If today is you are watching my video, like, share, subscribe, share with your friend, ask questions, make comment. You will also see my phone number at the bio of this video. I run mentorship program. If you want to learn from me, you contact me. The phone number works on WhatsApp and Telegram for those who are not in Nigeria. Okay, so you will also see links to my free Telegram channels. Yes, I have two free Telegram channels where I share charts from time to time. So you have a lot to gain by joining the channel. It's free. You only be asked to pay when you want to join the VIP, so students channel. Excuse me. Having said that, let's continue to the weekly analysis. This is the first week of October analysis, and as you start always with DXY, nothing has changed as much. The only that when this was happening, it was so sharp that it seems it will continue to go up. But in any case, I expect it to drop further, at least 95.6 or 94, 93. This zone is where I expect it to reverse, but it may reverse at this trend line. Sometimes trend line can act as support or a reversal area, but the ultimate target is this zone, this green zone. So as the selling continues, we will know what will happen. So let's see 4 hours. So the DSY 4 hours, what I'm looking out for is that we're gonna get, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2. So if this is wave 1 and this is wave 2, it means we have 3 down there, 4, and so on. So the selling is still going on, not yet completed. And once it completes, the buying will take a long time to complete. So that's for DSY. USD card, the same situation. Let's see daily again on this one. So on daily chart, remember for the weeks or months, I have said that we still have places to selling have not completed. So, and as I'm looking at it, it's a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the question is the fourth wave completed or not? Have you completed the fourth wave? That's the first question. Then second question, are we going to go below this zone? Are we going to get a new low that will break this and this? Let's focus on what we are facing next week. So going up to 4 hours, it seems that the moving has completed. Okay, you can see wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 here. Meanwhile, the possibility of getting a higher move is still there, because this wave 4 can be an expanding flat or a running flat. A running flat, in sense, it will drop a bit, a little, and give us another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before going down. Or it can give us an expanding flat. In that case, it will drop somewhere like this and give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before going down. In that case, this wave 4 will now be either here or here. Meanwhile, we may see it continue to go down because we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's for USD card. USD chef. USD chef. Nothing to worry about on USD chef. Is as simple as DXY. You can see the movement down is not like USD card. Okay, so looking at the daily chart, you can see it is obvious the market is going down. After this ABC, you can see this, after this ABC, which I can call with 4. Then expect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a new low is what we are looking for on USD. So let's see 4 hours. 4 hours, you can see you have all the time to enter at a good price. You always hear me say, I don't want to enter when price is not favorable. So now, but there's something I also want to let you know. Because we didn't enter the reversal zone, the possibility of this going up again is there. So don't be overconfident. The possibility of going up again is there unless we break this low. If you didn't break this low, we might get a kind of ABC, which is W, ABC, X, then another ABC with Y. That is W, X, Y. And we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then the price we enter this zone before selling off. But as I'm looking at it, a break of this place might confirm the truncation. I'm just showing you all the possibilities so that you don't enter and close your eyes. As you enter the cell, you need to be cautious until this place is broken. So I will show you all the available buyers I, I see. Though I can't see all, but anyone I see, I'll let you know. Euro USD. Let's check daily. Last week, I kept saying that the market have not entered the reversal zone. So for that reason, we might see the price might still go up. And I remember I said that either it drops to this zone or it touches this lower channel. You can see it didn't touch the channel. It turned at the reversal zone. Let it on 4 hours. So you can see this is a clear ABC. There's no doubt about that. It's a clear 3-wave corrective pattern. Could it be heard? It's a clear A, B, C. So there's no argument, no ambiguity, no confusion. So now I'm expecting it to give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now the buying have started. Okay. So here is my invalidation. I will take the buy when market opens. Okay, unless something happened and the market drops very fast and break this low. If not, I'm taking the buy. Above here, right now, here is the real bullish confirmation. But a break of this place is also a bullish confirmation, but this is more standard. Okay, but if don't get it remains at this place, I will buy once the market opens because the buying still have places to go. Not wise. Pounds USD. Let's see daily. Pounds USD. Remember last week I showed you that pounds USD is showing that we might get this drop. Okay. but it seems it went to go with his brother Euro USD. So now, what do we expect? Instead of this being an ABC X to drop further, it becomes wave 1 ABC WXY, wave 2 as wave X expanding flat, then it begins to go up. So right now, let's focus on 4 hours. Let's focus on 4 hours. I think this is no longer WXY. Let me clear it. Wave 4 is here. So let's focus on lower time frame. Unless something happened again and this level is broken. If not, the buy have started. So in any case, I am seeing this, I'm counting this as a single wave. Wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2, then upwards. Though it also appears to be a kind of A, B, C, which is a corrective pattern. Okay, so in that case, we need to approach it with care. But the reason I want to see it as wave 1 is that Euro USD is not showing any sign of selling again. Okay, in any case, in trading, when you have confusion on a particular pair, you leave it and trade the one that is simple to trade, and remember not to overtrade or be greedy. Okay, always risk what you can easily bear. Okay, so it's a buy market. I have no reason to continue selling it. Let's AUD USD. Let's check daily again. AUD USD. There's no confusion on this one. Last week I said this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and we continue to go up. So it's going up. 4 hours. This is my reversal zone. It didn't get there. Okay. And it's obvious it won't get there again. Though we will still get a drop, maybe something like this before it begins to buy. But coming here again, I think it's not gonna come here again. Though anything is possible in trading, but from my experience, this is wave 1, and this is likely A, B, C, and it begins to go up from here. Or this can be W, this can be wave X, and this can be wave Y. Then it begins to go up from here. In any case, if you are buying, stop loss will be here, and because stop loss seems to be big, your loss size should be small. Then when this place is broken, you can now add another position. The stop loss will be here, both the new and the old. The reason it will be here is that in case it will drop to this place. Normally, it should be here if you are buying. But because there's chances of dropping to this place, it should be here. When you confirm that it is not going to drop it to this place, you move it to this place. You can buy again after break of this place. Okay? Inside USD and AUD USD always go the same direction. Okay, though sometimes they differ for a moment and continue going together. Now, inside the USD didn't also touch the reversal zone, but it is obvious you're not going to touch it again. I don't think it will touch it again. Looking at it, it's making a gradual takeoff. So, my own take on this is that a break of this place will be a good time to buy. Stop loss will be here in case the market want to turn you don't lose much. Okay, or you may allow it to give us a clear pattern, like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 3 ABC, wave 4. Then after wave 5, we watch out for A, B, C, or a single drop that can give us maybe 50 to 60% retracement. Then the buying will start. Okay, trade with care. If you don't know how to enter, you spend little money and learn. The money you will lose in trading blindly can be enough for you to learn. I don't charge you much. I charge little, and I don't charge every month. I charge you once. I give you time to learn, because many may learn very fast. Some can learn slowly. Some can learn fast, but they don't have time. Because of that, my mentorship is very flexible. Once you pay, even if you have only 2 hours or 4 hours in a week to learn, until you graduate, no second payment, just once. Okay, so let's continue. JPY, we can see the markets have entered our reversal zone. Okay, now 2 things is involved. If this is wave 1 for a big drop, this move is strong. It may go maybe very, very higher towards this zone before it will continue to sell, or it may even enter and break this place before selling. So the point is, you should focus on lower time frame to monitor the movement. If you trade Euro JPY, you should go to 4 hours and even 1 hour. Now, 4 hours have made a very big drop, which to me, I can label it as an impulse. Okay, I can say this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Or this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 3, this can be wave 4, wave 5 before this move, before selling. So do not be in a haste to sell. And do not be in, you can buy, but be very careful. Not be in a haste to sell. Get sales set up, before you sell. That's only what I can tell you. Get sales set up before you sell, so that you don't lose money. USD JPY. This is where I have a kind of, I was expecting it to go higher because of the pattern it produced. But it seems that this WXY will no longer work. Okay, maybe it is only A, B, C, which means this ABC is the whole correction. And if this place is not broken, this can be wave 1, this can be wave 2 for a bigger dropping. So now, what am I trying to say? If the market, if price begin to drop and break this place, let me show you where a break of this place is a confirmation. Though the confirmation here is still not 100% confirmed. To be 100% confirmed, it will break this low. So for now, we watch what is happening here on our time frame for selling, because this drop is a clear move that the selling is started, or at least around the corner. Okay, this very drop is not a small drop on any given week. So let's say 4 hours. So the 4 hours, you can see it just something like something we saw on JPY, a big drop. Though the wave is not a perfect wave to count, that's why I don't want to label it. So counting this as wave 1, this wave 2 is too small. I don't like labeling such. And this cannot be wave 3 because it is the smallest. So maybe I can say that this is wave 1. Okay, I will ignore this place. Okay, I count it as wave 1. And if it is wave 1, I expect it to give me a bigger correction, something like this, or even something like this, before the selling will continue. So that's what I'm looking for. Remember, as I said, some of the time, the way I trade is that if I don't see the type of the type of setup I'm looking for, I will forget about it and look for another one. We always have, there are many pays, many instruments to trade. So when I'm looking for a particular setup or structure, if I don't see it, I will go to another pair. So don't make it a must that I must trade Euro USD, I must trade USD JPY. No, it's not a good idea. So if this, okay, now let me give you an example. Let me give you an example. If I don't get a kind of correction that we see the price enter this zone, I would not like to trade it. I want to see the price enter this zone or even go higher before I will sell. So if it means to drop from here, I'll not sell. Because do you know the reason? You may enter the sale from here, it begin to drop, and you're happy that you have credit, you are making profit. And like me, who is not always on the screen, I am a swing trader. I enter my trade and they move away. You may come the next day or the next few hours, you see it going up again to come to this zone before selling, or it may continue to drop like oil. You will see oil as oil is dropping. Doesn't want to give a correction anyway for now. So let's continue. So watch out for this correction before we begin to sell. So JPY is the only yen pair that give me something good to take home. What do I mean? This move is a perfect corrective move. You can see it. It entered the zone and is now buying. Now, two things. It will either come to this zone and begin to sell, or it will give us a new high. I don't know. Let me go to daily to know whether we are looking for something like new high. Okay, now daily, we can see that the possibility of it coming to this zone is there. So if you measure this ABC, the possibility of coming to this zone is there. Okay. So, but whenever market is approaching a reversal zone, we need to be careful because it may truncate and you'll be thinking that it will still go up. So the best approach is follow it on 4 hours and 1 hour to know whether it will truncate or not. So let me give you an expo. This, how to know that it has truncated. One is, this can be 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, 5. That's what we call leading diagonal. If this happens, then forget about going up again. It will only give us something like this. Then it begins to go down. Then it becomes either with 1 or with A. This becomes either with 2 or with B. Then the selling continues. And the selling, as I'm looking at it, will be a very massive sell because the buying have been a long time, buying and buying and buying. Okay, let's go to gold. Gold, nothing to analyze on gold. Gold is going up for now. So continue buying, continue moving your stop loss to a new high. If your stop loss is here, then when this place breaks, you move it to this place. When this place breaks, you move it to this place. That's how to trade. That's how swing traders trade. Sometimes we will enter here, keep moving our stop loss and adding positions until, if you enter here and your stop loss is here, if it closes, you have made a good profit. Even if you enter here, and stop loss is now here, if it comes to close against you, you have made a profit. That's things you need to learn how to secure profit when you are in good profit. Silver and gold. This silver is going up. Nothing to worry about. You only have to move your stop loss to this zone. Then, as it keeps going, you keep moving your stop loss. If it keeps go up again, drop a little, go up again, you move it to this place. Simple thing. So nothing to explain on gold, silver, even platinum. Platinum, before platinum seems that it will lag. Weeks back, platinum seems that it will lag. If you notice that there was a time I refused to analyze platinum because it is showing signs of a kind of, it's behaving that as it will do something like this. Then I said I will wait until I know what it's trying to do. Now it has joined his senior colleagues and begin to go up. So now it's time to continue buying platinum, maybe towards 2000. Okay. US oil. Oil, one of my favorite pair. You can see I kept saying for a long time that oil will keep dropping. Okay. That oil will keep dropping. But the thing is that oil didn't make a good correction before it began. Though it's anyway, I explained last week that this is a flat correction. I explained it. So it kept dropping on what time frame. It didn't give a second chance for those who missed the entry around here. So that's the only thing to worry about oil. But oil has broken this low. So as I said earlier, that oil is going towards 50 or even below 50. Time will tell. So let's see 4 hours. So this is where I was expecting that oil will give a correction, but it didn't do that. It keeps going down, 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 down. Okay. So I don't even know how to label it because I always like to label something that is standard. For instance, this is wave 1, this wave 2 is too small. So this is wave 3, this is wave 4, this is wave 5. But as I'm looking at it, it seems that it will continue going down. And if it continues going down, it means that this is wave 1 of 5, this is 2 of 5, and so on. So oil is selling. Nothing to explain. I told you that it will sell. So I don't know what to tell you again. Whenever I show you market direction, all you're gonna do is to find your entry, because 80 or 90% of the time it happens. I'm not 100%, and I don't think anybody is 100%, but I know that most of the time I get it correct. 80% of the time or more, I get it correct. So if I show you direction of 20 pays, at least a thing will go the way I pointed out, or let's say at worst 15. So I think it's a pass mark. US 100. US 100, the buying is so strong that I don't even have the courage to call for sell. Though the selling is corrective, all we need to watch out is what it will, where the correction will end. Then we begin to buy again. You can see because of the strength, it didn't enter our reversal zone. Though some of us bought it at the break of this place and put up stop loss here. Now stop loss is here. Though if your long position is still open, you may consider closing it, because we may get a deep correction we have waiting for. SP 500, no sign of big correction yet. So if you see leave your buy position open, just leave it. Keep moving your stop loss to break even. US 30, we may get. US 30 is volatile, more volatile than other indices. So maybe we will get a move like this before buying again. That's the one I can sell among all of them because it always like to sell more than others. Okay, so I think it's time to go to Bitcoin and I'll conclude. Wow, 30 minutes already. Today's is lengthy, but it's for your own good because I've given you some good lessons you didn't pay for. Bitcoin. Last week, I said that Bitcoin is trying to give us a big correction. A, B, C. That is a bigger ABC. Or it can be W, X, Y. But the structure changed. It changed and began to go up. Okay? It has broken this zone. So no more, this is no longer expected to happen. Okay, that's what. Then I remember I also said we may get a triangle, but not even a triangle. It just kept going up and up and up. So now let me say something. One, beware of this. As long as this place has not been broken, let me use as long as this place is not broken, we can still get the market sell even down to this place. Do you know why? This can be with W, then this will be an A, B, C, which is with X. Then we may get maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with Y before it begins to buy. So that's why we always like to confirm before we begin to buy. Now, if you want to if you want to buy Bitcoin, remind me on the Telegram channel to watch out how price we behave this place, because on our time frame we will be able to monitor how it will move to know whether we will buy or not. So for now, let's keep watching how it will develop. Okay, I think I will stop here. Thank you for watching and God bless you.